If your Windows 11 start menu or search is completely broken, stuck, or not opening, this 2026 real fix will solve it permanently. All you have to do is press Windows key and I key together to open up settings. Go to System. On right side, just need to scroll down and select recovery. Next, to reset this PC, select reset PC option. Select keep my files option. This will not delete your personal files. Select this cloud download option and select change settings. Make sure both of these options are yes and select confirm and select next option and select this reset option and you need to wait 1 hour to finish this process because it takes lots of time to reset your PC. After restart, Windows will load fresh system files, start menu and search started working normally. No apps from Microsoft Store will be broken. This is the only guaranteed fix in 2026 when start menu or search stop working. If this helped, like and share to save someone hours of saturation.